Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. Today's video is on Orion Protocol, an update video.
This is not financial advice. Always do your own research, and hopefully you guys enjoy this video.
So as we can see here, I think the last time I'd done a video on this, it was $250 million dollar market cap, so it's seriously decreased there. It was in serious accumulation between $7 and $8 for a long time, even $9 really. And we were all expecting it to go to $12 to $14 on a breakout, but obviously we've seen what Bitcoin's done. It's now at 46k, fighting to get to that 50k mark again. So we just really got to see what the market plays out. But right now, this is a very good buy point for Orn. Of course, not financial advice. It could be going to $3.6, definitely. That could be likely, depending if Bitcoin does go down to around 36, 28k around there. It could easily go to $3.6 here. So I'm not saying that's going to happen, but just keep that in mind. It could happen. So it could be a good point to cost dollar average into it, if that's what you like doing. So as you can see here, they've just partnered up with Chumby Valley, which is an NFT game. So they're doing lots of things right now. They've also partnered with Paribus in our last video, and they're also partnered with Coty. They've been partnered with Coty this entire year, pretty much. Right when Coty was 3 cents, it was partnered with Coty. So Orion is really, they're picking great partners. So if you're looking at the partners they're with, they could also be really good investments. They don't just partner with anyone. But as you can see here, you get exclusive access to the Chumby Valley's token with ORN. So if you're using the Orion protocol network to actually be trading and stuff, then you can be getting exclusive access to their partners' coins, which is really, really good. Especially right now with the metaverse and the NFT games right now, they're seriously blowing up. So this could be a really, really good thing to be looking into. And another thing which is absolutely huge right now is there is a vote right now to burn 6.9 million tokens for ORN, and we are winning right now to get it removed. That is equivalent to right now what the price is. That's $36 million worth of ORN being taken out of circulation if we do win here. And as you can see, it really does look like we are. 83% is voting for removal. I don't see why people would be voting against removal, apart from the people that got in IPO. See, there's 34 million only in circulation right now, 30 million tokens in supply, which is going to be really, really good for ORN to be purchased up. You have to hold ORN to vote, so it's not anyone can just vote for this. You have to hold ORN, so you can put your ORN in here, add your wallet, and then you can vote for either one of these, and then you get your money back. You get your ORN back, sorry, after this is over. So it's really good, to be fair, the way they've kind of regulated that in a way, whereas not any random person can vote against or for this. It's only on investors. So that is a great thing they're doing there. Anyway, let's go into the charts and have a look at what short-term and long-term could possibly hold.
As you guys can see here on a daily time frame, we have been in a massive consolidation, but overall we have been dropping lower and lower. Price does look like it does want to be dropping to $3.60, which is the old low, and I wouldn't be surprised if that happens because of what Bitcoin's doing. And a lot of people, on Twitter are saying 40k Bitcoin and potentially 28k, which is insane. I don't see Bitcoin going to 28k. The reason why I don't see it going to 28k is because the cryptocurrency ecosystem has grown so much. And if it does go to 28k, that would just be insane. And I don't think it can do that. And personally, if I was to give myself a price target for Bitcoin, I could say maybe 42k, 43k Bitcoin, but I don't really think it can go below 40k because of how Bitcoin has been performing and about all of these dips that's been happening here. Bitcoin does not need to go down to 40k because we went from 69k Bitcoin to 46k right now. So going to 40k, even 28k, that's just insane. I don't ever see us going that low ever again, in my opinion, and not financial advice. But eventually, in a bear market, we don't know how low it can go, so 28k could be an option. But with ORN right now, if we do end up reaching 40k on Bitcoin, we can potentially get to around $3.60 for ORN, and that is a reasonable price target. And from $3 to $4, I do see a lot of accumulation happening because right now, moves happen from a consolidation, and they have to expand either higher or lower. So that's the direction that it has to do. So right now, After we reach $3.60, maybe you make a double bottom, which will be extremely bullish. We could start to move higher and higher. As you can see here on the hourly time frame, we can see that Orn has been, taking out old highs and taking out old lows, and it is definitely a consolidation profile. It's not really been doing much, and it is very good for traders because you can buy old lows and you can sell old highs. It's definitely something that's pretty cool, and no one really think of doing that because everyone's waiting for the breakout. Everyone's waiting for Orn to potentially reach $100, and then the Twitter moon people are going to be seeing $1,000 Orn, insane price predictions. Same thing that happened to Strong. Strong was around $100, went to $400, went to $1,000. People were saying $10,000 imminent. And the same thing is looking for Orn right now. So if you're holding Orn and if you want some potential theory of what could happen, we could reach $4.80 around that price, and then we could drop to $3.60. So keep that in mind before just FOMOing into any cryptocurrency someone says to buy, because crypto is a very, very cool place, and it's not for every one person that makes money, 100 people don't. That's something that you may have noticed as well as you do mature in the crypto cycles. But yeah, stay safe. And this is not financial advice as well, but always take into account of what I've just said, because that could be something that could take place, and most likely from the current conditions, it is what is looking likely to happen.
Alright, so that is now the end of the video. If you have enjoyed, please make sure you go and press that like button, and also go and press that red subscribe button. It really, really does help us out and really motivates us to keep doing these videos, and we're really, really excited for 2022, what that's going to hold. But yeah, if you have enjoyed, please make sure you go do that, and yeah, have a lovely rest of your day. Thank you.